Hey guys, Chris at Dentless Touch. Today we're going to go over how to take pictures to better the chances of an accurate quote. Whether you're requesting a quote from our company or another paintless dent repair company, the quality of the photo can be a price difference of up to 50%. Let me explain. When you send in photos, we are trying to determine three things: location, size and depth, and what metal is used on that panel. Location can determine access and what is needed to be removed to gain access, or is it a glue panel only type repair. Also, we can see if it's on a body line. Now for size and depth, it comes down to perception. Mainly we are trying to reference something in the photo to give us a rough idea for size, like a door handle or a side marker. Same thing for depth. So if you can imagine, different colors and locations will show up easier. Now for the last thing, it comes down to the type of vehicle. We can't always tell from the pictures submitted. So supplying us with a VIN number, or at least the year, make, and model of your vehicle, sometimes we can do the research and determine which metal the manufacturer used. This is important because it changes the price. With working with aluminum or high-strength steel, adds a lot of complexity to the repair. Let me show you the best way to take a picture of your damage. A 45-degree angle will work 95% of the time. Standing back 3 to 4 feet is best. Also keep in mind, quality matters. So if you're like my dad and has a flip phone from 2001, it's probably not your best option. And please, a clean car is definitely best. Hopefully this video has been informative, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.